Shiba Inu, you can make $11 million with $1,000 if SHIB hits $0.1. Shiba Inu, SHIB, has turned many early investors into multimillionaires and, in some cases, even billionaires. The rags to riches stories around SHIB skyrocketed the project's popularity among new investors who want to make it big in crypto. However, SHIB's price has struggled to gain momentum after reaching its all-time high of $0.00008616 in October 2021, leading many to believe they may have missed the boat with SHIB. However, despite the lackluster performance in the last few years, many Shiba Inu, SHIB, fans still believe there is time to make millions with the popular memecoin. SHIB fans, collectively called the SHIB Army, are pursuing the 1 cent dream. $1,000 worth of SHIB will get you around 112,612,612 tokens, 112 million, at current prices. If SHIB reaches 10 cents, the value of the 112 million tokens will skyrocket to $11.26 million. The rise would translate to a growth of 1,126,026%, over 1 million %.